First, kick things off with 4 slices of thick-cut bacon. Sizzle them in a skillet over medium heat until they reach a desirable crispy texture. Once done, set them aside on a paper towel to drain and contain any excess oil. While the bacon is basking in its crispy glory, turn your attention to a ripe avocado. Peel and pit it, then usher it into a small bowl. Now smash the avocado with a fork and season it with salt and pepper to your heart's content. Next, it's time to bring in 2 large eggs. Reduce the heat to medium-low in the same skillet you used for bacon, and crack the eggs into it. Cook them to your preference, be it a runny yolk or a firm center, seasoning with salt and pepper as you go. Now, butter up 2 slices of your favorite bread, sourdough or whole grain works splendidly here, and toast them until they reach a golden brown hue of perfection. Now spread the smashed avocado evenly onto each slice of the toasted bread. Then place a slice of cheddar cheese on each piece and add the crispy bacon. Top it off with the fried eggs and voila! A sandwich fit for a Southern breakfast king or queen is born. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.